Here are some common skills of an instructional designer that you might want to include in your resume. Writing and developing learning objectives. Organizing, writing, and shaping content from a subject matter expert into different lessons or modules. Instructional designers ensure the content matches the given objectives. They structure content and activities to maximize learning. They develop assessments. They revise and rewrite scripts using content from a subject matter expert to put them into learning-friendly language. They create the layouts of instructional materials. They develop audio, visual, and interactive media. They storyboard content. They plan and create learning activities, knowledge checks, and assessments. They create visual aids, student guides, instructor guides, or training manuals to accompany the content. They collaborate with team members. They conduct any research required to design and develop the materials.